point. I'm here. I'm here to attack John the Jimmy the cat. We're trying to get this man. What are you trying to... Who is it? Who is it?
It is.
Ah!
Oh, that guy.
What the frick?
He is strong.
Damn.
Throw him at the window.
Remember you are the strongest guy ever?
Yeah.
You have powers, Jim. You have powers. Remember that, Jim. Remember that, okay? You never forget it. You never forget that you're Jim.
Yeah.
Jimmy powers activate!
Oh! Oh! Dad, are you okay? This is so strong. Don't you dare hurt my dad! Oh! Oh! I'm done. Yikes! Get up! Are you gonna help?
Mister, I'm spotting something. Down.
Who is that? Don't jump on me.
Yeah, do you like my dog? Do you like my dog?
Get him out of here!
No, and I'm gonna get him out here.
I'm lifting him! Ah!
No, my doggy! My doggy's thrown.
And then he... Ugh. Ah! Are you with the villains now?
My doggy! The doggy! The doggy! The Mr. Tugs! Mr. Tug! Roof! Then kick. Oh, I'm gonna bite you! I'm gonna eat you. That's the end of the story. Bye.